Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best electric buffet servers. Whether you're hosting a family dinner, celebrating a special event, or entertaining guests, this versatile appliance allows you to showcase and keep your dishes warm, ensuring that every bite is as delightful as the next. So prepare to impress your guests and elevate your hosting prowess with the unparalleled convenience and elegance of our list of buffet servers. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen. Or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth electric buffet server in our list is the Bella Buffet Server, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Impress your guests and elevate your hosting game with a Bella electric warming tray. This versatile and convenient server is designed to keep your food hot and fresh for hours, making it an ideal solution for family gatherings, large parties, and catering events. With a generous total capacity of 4.5 quarts, you'll have ample space to showcase a variety of dishes. Overall, this electric warming tray goes beyond just keeping your food warm. It acts as a multi-purpose server, functioning as both a slow cooker and a food warmer. It also features 3 1.5-quart removable chafing dishes that allow you to heat and display appetizers, meats, and vegetables before serving. This eliminates the need for constant trips between the stove and the table, ensuring a more streamlined and enjoyable dining experience. One of its standout features is its adjustable temperature control. Equipped with off, low, medium, and high settings, you have full control over the heat level to suit your preferences and the specific requirements of the dishes you're serving. There is also a convenient power indicator light that provides additional safety and peace of mind. Safety and convenience are also paramount when it comes to the Bella electric warming tray. It features cool touch handles that allow for easy and secure handling, so you can transport and serve your dishes without the risk of burns. Plus, this versatile server is compatible with any type of cookware and cooking tools, making it a flexible addition to your kitchen arsenal. Cleaning up after a gathering is often a dreaded task, but this warming tray makes it a breeze. It includes clear glass dome lids with spoon cutouts, allowing you to showcase your food while keeping it protected. The plates are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort when it's time to tidy up. Plus, the durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity, while the sleek design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. While the Bella Buffet server offers many advantages, there is one potential downside to consider. This buffet server may not come with serving utensils included, but this is easily remedied by acquiring them separately. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a buffet server with versatility as a slow cooker and food warmer, adjustable temperature control, safe and convenient handling, and easy-to-clean features. The fourth electric buffet server in our list is the Chefman electric buffet server, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. At the heart of this buffet server lies its impressive 5-quart capacity in its pans, offering ample space to accommodate multiple dishes at once. But that's just the beginning. With a hot plate surface measuring 14 by 14 inches, it not only serves its practical purpose, but also adds a touch of elegance to any countertop, table, or buffet setup. And here's the cherry on top. Its adjustable temperature control feature, combined with its generous size, makes this buffet server the perfect companion for various occasions. From intimate family dinners to lively Sunday football gatherings, festive holiday meals, and large parties or events, the Chefman electric buffet server has got you covered. One of its remarkable attributes is its ability to keep food warm throughout the day. The adjustable temperature control allows for quick heating of your food, while the fuse safety feature ensures that it won't overheat, allowing you to confidently keep your food warm for hours on end. Whether you opt to set the hot plate on low to maintain a steady warmth throughout the day, or adjust it to high to swiftly heat your appetizers, this buffet server caters to your specific needs and preferences. Included with the Chefman electric buffet server are 3 stainless steel warming pans consisting of 2 1.2-quart pans and 1 2.5-quart pan. These warming pans provide versatile options for different dishes and quantities. To preserve the heat effectively, the buffet server is equipped with 3 high-dome transparent lids that securely enclose the food. Plus, the included accessories, including the warming pans and lids, are dishwasher safe, making the post-event cleanup process a breeze. Another notable advantage of this buffet server is its compatibility with a wide range of cookware and bakeware. You can confidently use it with all heat-safe materials such as aluminum or glass baking pans, casserole dishes, pots, and pans. The cool touch handles not only facilitate convenient transport from kitchen to table, but also add an element of safety by ensuring that the handles remain cool to the touch during operation. Now, it's important to note that the lids of Chefman electric buffet server should not be placed in the dishwasher, as their thin construction makes them susceptible to warping and melting. While the warming pans and other accessories are dishwasher safe, we recommend hand washing the lids separately using gentle detergent and warm water to ensure their longevity and proper functionality. Taking this precaution will help maintain the quality of the lids and avoid any potential damage. The trusted Shopify team recommends this for anyone looking for a buffet server that offers generous capacity, adjustable temperature control, and compatibility with various cookware and bakeware. The third electric buffet server in our list is the Ovente buffet server, which trusted Shopify.com is awarded a 4-badge rating. Let's get one thing straight. The Ovente buffet server offers a multitude of features that make it a versatile and practical addition to any social gathering or event. Each individual chafing pan boasts an impressive capacity of 1.5 quarts, providing ample room to accommodate generous portions of food. The transparent dome lids with spoon slots not only allow for easy access to the dishes, but also offer a visually appealing presentation. One of its standout features is its flat warming base, which serves a dual purpose. In addition to supporting the chafing pans, it can also function as a standalone warmer, allowing you to use your own dinnerware or foil pans according to your specific needs and preferences. This flexibility ensures that the buffet server seamlessly adapts to various serving requirements. Another standout feature of this model is the adjustable temperature setting, which offers the ability to maintain a consistent heat level for hours on end without the need for an open flame. By simply adjusting the temperature control knob based on your preference, you can easily achieve and maintain the ideal warmth for your dishes. Once set, the buffet server intelligently cycles on and off to ensure the right temperature is maintained without any risk of overheating. In terms of durability, both the warming tray and pans of this buffet server are constructed from highly durable stainless steel. This robust material ensures that they can withstand high temperatures and continuous use without easily bending or warping. Plus, it is equipped with cool touch handles, providing added safety during transport and make it convenient to move from one location to another. However, it's worth noting that the Ovente buffet server is designed for occasional or low-use consumer use. It may not be able to withstand frequent and heavy use. If you anticipate using a buffet server frequently or for large gatherings, it might be worth considering a more robust and durable option. The trusted Shopify team recommends this to those looking for a buffet server that offers individual chafing pans with ample capacity, transparent dome lids with spoon slots, and a versatile flat warming base. The second electric buffet server in our list is the Betty Crocker buffet server, which trusted Shopify.com is awarded a 4-badge rating. Elevate your dining experience with a sophisticated and functional stainless steel electric buffet server and food warmer, measuring 27 by 5.24 by 16.34 inches. With 3 buffet trays, it allows you to serve mouth-watering meals while keeping food and liquids warm up for 3 hours. It's the perfect solution for a wide range of occasions, including get-togethers, parties, and gatherings. With this, you can have delicious meals waiting for your guests, eliminating the need to spend all day in the kitchen. The sleek design of this buffet server adds a touch of contemporary elegance to your kitchen, dining room, or living area. Made of stainless steel, it not only ensures convenience but also exudes a professional and classy appearance. It also seamlessly combines style and functionality, allowing you to enjoy both its aesthetic appeal and practical features. Plus, the wattage of 300 ensures efficient heating performance, maintaining the desired temperature for your dishes. Safety is also a top priority with this model. Weighing 11.35 pounds, it comes equipped with a power-on indicator light and a timer that automatically shuts off after 3 hours. This feature provides added peace of mind, preventing accidental overheating. Plus, the cool touch side handles allow for a safe and burn-free contact, ensuring a worry-free family function or gathering with friends. You can enjoy your time with loved ones, knowing that safety is a paramount consideration. Now, one aspect that some users may find unconventional or whimsical is the lid holder design of this buffet server. While the overall functionality and performance of the server may be satisfactory, the lid holder design may be seen as a bit goofy or unusual. However, it's important to note that design preferences can vary, and what one person may find goofy, another might find charming or unique. Ultimately, the lid holder design does not significantly impact the functionality or usability of the buffet server and should not hinder its ability to keep your food warm and serve your guests efficiently. The trusted shopping guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a buffet server that has a combination of style, safety, and versatility. The best electric buffet server in your list is the TRU Triple Buffet Server, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. The TRU Triple Slow Cooker is a game changer when it comes to stress-free menu planning and seamless party prep. As a host or entertainer, you'll find the 3 separate inserts, each equipped with individual heat controls, to be an absolute lifesaver. So gone are the days of scrambling to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. One standout feature of this slow cooker is its 3 separate 2.5-quart oval inserts. These inserts are not only conveniently removable for serving, but also dishwasher safe, making post-party cleanup a breeze. What's more, there are 3 independent heat controls, each offering low, high, and warm settings that provide you with unparalleled flexibility and precision in the cooking process. You can effortlessly adjust the heat to suit your recipes and preferences, ensuring that every dish is cooked to perfection. No more worries about overcooking or undercooking. The TRU Triple Slow Cooker gives you the ultimate control. Another standout feature of this buffet server is the stoneware inserts that are ingeniously designed with spoon slots, allowing you to keep the lids on while serving. The brilliant feature ensures that your carefully prepared dishes retain their heat for longer, allowing your guests to enjoy hot and delicious food throughout the gathering. The lids stay put and the flavors and aromas are locked in. However, considering its substantial size, we advise taking the storage requirements of the TRU Triple Slow Cooker into account before making a purchase. Its generous dimensions may necessitate careful planning to ensure you have an appropriate storage space available. The trusted shopping guide team recommends this to those looking for a buffet server that boasts an impressive power capacity and efficient and consistent cooking. And there you have it, folks, our best electric buffet servers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next electric buffet server roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.